Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the air damper control in this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Your first step is to remove all 4 glass shelves by lifting the front of each shelf up, then detach the bracket tabs from the shelf support to remove. Next, pull the platter shelf forward and lift the platter shelf glass up from underneath to remove. Open a crisper drawer, reach in, and push the crisper cover glass up and forward from underneath. Close the drawer and remove the glass. Now fully uninstall both crisper drawers by pulling them forward, then hold the side support brackets as you push the drawers back to fully detach. You can now lift up the entire platter shelf and crisper cover assembly and remove it from the refrigerator. Next, lift up the front of the left crisper drawer glide assembly and pull forward to remove. Do the same to remove the right crisper drawer glide assembly. Open the pantry drawer and lift up the pantry cover glass from underneath to unseat it, then remove. Pull the drawer forward, then hold the side rails as you push the drawer back and lift up to remove. Lift up the rear of the pantry cover glass frame and pull back to remove. Next, open the water filter cover and use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 2 screws, securing the upper cover panel. Detach the panel and disconnect the LED light wire harness to fully remove the panel. Now use the flathead screwdriver to depress the 6 retaining tabs to release the air tower assembly. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the screws, securing the air damper control cover. Depress the retaining tab to detach the thermistor cover, then release the thermistor from the cover. With the damper control cover out of the way, you can fully remove the polystyrene insulation. Using the flathead screwdriver, depress the retaining tabs to detach the air damper control. Then disconnect the wire connector to fully remove the old component. To install the new air damper control, connect the wire connector, then align the rear edge first before snapping the front of the control into place. Reposition the insulation. Feed the thermistor through the hole in the air damper control cover and snap the component into place in the thermistor cover. Realign the thermistor cover on the air damper control cover and snap it into place. You can now fully realign the damper control cover and rethread the mounting screws to secure. Reinstall the air tower assembly by first aligning the insulation in the tower. Then position the top edge and snap the middle retaining tabs into the sides of the shelf support. Reinstall the upper cover panel by first reconnecting the LED light wire harness. Align the 3 rear upper cover panel tabs with the housing brackets and snap the panel into position. Rethread the 2 screws to secure. Close the water filter cover. Reinstall the pantry cover glass frame by first aligning the damper arm with the slider control. Then set the rear of the frame into place. Confirm the pantry drawer slide rails are pulled out. Then insert the support bracket tabs into the slots in the side channels of the drawer and push the drawer in. Set the pantry cover glass into the frame. Now reinstall both the left and right crisper glide assemblies by aligning them on the liner's rear mounting posts first, then lower them onto the front mounting posts. Fully reposition the platter shelf and crisper cover assembly in the refrigerator. To reinstall the crisper drawers, pull the slide rails out. Then insert the support bracket tabs into the slots in the side channels of the drawers and push the drawers in. Reinsert the crisper cover glass in the space between the platter shelf and crisper cover and push back until the glass is fully seated in the cover. Realign the platter shelf glass in the frame. Finally, reinstall the glass shelves by hooking the upper bracket tabs into the appropriate slots in the shelf support. Then lower the front of the shelves. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.